Hello students, today we will see the last independent assortment. What is the last independent assortment we will see the today? In the last independent assortment, taking dihybrid cross in law of independent assortment. In law of independent assortment, taking dihybrid class. It means take the dihybrid class. It means take the two contrasting characters and other character is same in both class. In NCERT, for example, in NCERT, take the plant height and seed shape and seed color. So we take the seed shape and seed color. Okay. Seed shape. One is round, which are represented by capital R, and the cotyledon color is represented by yellow and green. So yellow color represented by capital Y, and seed shape. Another is a round wrinkled shape. And cotyledon color is green. So wrinkle is represented by small r, and green represented by small y. Okay. These are the parental. Capital R, and capital Y. Capital R represented the seed shape, which is round shape, and capital Y represented the cotyledon color, which is yellow color, and it is a contrasting character. So these are round, these are wrinkled is झुर्रीदार, कुछ ऐसा. Okay. Round seed is these are the round seed, and wrinkled is these are the wrinkled seed. Okay. And color, it means seed का जो color है, cotyledon का जो color है. In these plants there are yellow. जैसे we have seen the pulses of pea pulses, mostly green, yellow color, but some are green color. So these are the yellow color, and some are these are the green color. Okay. Suppose that when cross between two plants which have the contrasting character, what will we see in the approach generation? In the approach generation, what is the gamete in this? You know that in gamete comes only one chromosome from two copies. In gamete. So come capital R between from the both R come only one R, which are represented the seed shape, and one Y come into the gamete. So these are the gamete. Okay. So these are the gamete. And in this, the gamete are smaller and small y. Suppose these are the ovules and these are the pollen grains. So these are represent the gamete. Okay. Third class between both gametes in the upper generation comes capital R smaller, capital Y and small y. So this is the genotypic character. And what is the phenotypic character? Phenotypic means दिखेगा कैसे. appearance. Phenotypic, due to the presence of one capital R, due to the presence of one capital R, the seed shape will be round. The seed shape will be round. So seed shape round होगा. Due to the presence of one capital Y, the cotyledon color will be yellow. The cotyledon color will be yellow. Okay. So the F1 generation, the plant will be round seed and yellow cotyledon. Okay. Why? Because these are the dominant. These are capital R and capital Y are dominant, which are suppressed the expression of small r and small y, and represent as like parental character. But in the F1 generation, these are the cross pollination. In the F1 generation, after self-pollination, these are the F1 generation. After self-pollination, so here is the phenotypic character, and after self-pollination, okay, you know the self-pollination, when no interfere of humans into the pollination, pollinate by natural method, these are known as self-pollination. So the self-pollination होगा एक मैं और बड़ा होगा इजी के लिए इजीली in self-pollination या pollination. Okay. After that, self-pollination. अगर आप नोट्स बनाना चाहते हैं तो मैं इसको थोड़ा आगे कर देता हूँ. Round seed and yellow cotyledon. In the upper generation, self-pollination, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Self-pollination, एक पे मैं बना दूँ male gamete, in another female gamete. Okay. Okay. Listen carefully. These are the F1 plants. In the F1 plants, now there are self-pollination. How make the gamete? What is the probability make gamete in F1 generation? Listen carefully. क्योंकि यहाँ अगर आप समझ गए तो इस रूल को समझने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. देखेंगे. These are the one set of chromosomes. It means there are the two copies. There are two copies which are come from one parent and which are come from another parent. But they are not same character. They have the different character. One is the round seed and another is the wrinkle seed. But these are the homologous chromosomes. दोनों एक ही पेयर के हिस्से हैं. दोनों क्रोमोसोम एक पेयर के ही हिस्से हैं. ओके. Okay. How make the gamete? When make the gamete, you know that. When make the gamete, come only one chromosome in gamete. It may be some one R, it may be some another R, but come only one chromosome. When make the gamete, suppose that to make the gamete, one time come capital R. Why? Because into the gamete come only one chromosome, and from these characters come only capital Y. These are the one gamete. But it may be possibility with the capital R come small y. So it is another gamete. What is the difference? Their difference is there are capital Y and there is small y. It may be possibility not from the capital R come small r. Come small r from these pairs and come capital Y from these pairs. It may be another possibility. And next possibility, it may be small r comes with small y. These are the next possibilities. So these are the possibilities making the four type of gamete. There are possibilities making the four type of gamete. एक बार इसको फिर से देखेंगे. देयर आर द पॉसिबिलिटी मेकिंग द 4 टाइप ऑफ गैमेट। इसको ध्यान से देखेंगे। यहाँ देखिए, देयर आर कैपिटल आर एंड स्मॉल आर, देयर आर 1 पेयर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, कैपिटल वाई एंड स्मॉल वाई, देयर आर 1 पेयर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम। You know that when make the gamete, in one pair, from one pair of chromosomes come only one chromosome. So first time come capital R, and in these pairs come capital Y. In another possibility come capital R with small y. Another possibility not come the capital R, come small r with capital Y. There are the possibility, not confirm. These are the possibility. And another come small r, another possibility come small r with smaller y. So there are 4 type of gamete. Okay, there are 4 types of gamete. You know that pea plant is a bisexual flower. So they have the both type of gamete. They form the both type of gamete. Male gamete and female gamete. So these are the male gamete. If also make the 4 type of female gamete. Also make the 4 type of female gamete. Okay. Okay. Also make the 4 type of female gamete. Okay. Now इसके बाद हम इरेज करेंगे, बोर्ड पे नहीं आएगा। What is the possibility making the different type of phenotype in the F2 generation? Okay, what is the possibility? Now remember this, इसको यहाँ पर नोट करिए, आगे बढ़ा रहा हूँ। Okay, देखिए, draw accurate square, and make the gamete upper side, male gamete up side and female gamete another side. Capital R, capital Y, another is capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small. These are the male. Okay, so these are the male gametes. So make a round. Why? Because pollen grain are round in shape. Okay, pollen grain are round in shape. These are the male gametes. These are the male gametes. And female gametes, capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. These are the female gametes. Okay. There are some possibilities for a cross. For a cross, these gametes cross this male gamete. For a male gamete crossed by this female gamete, then there are capital R, capital R, capital R, capital R, and capital Y, capital Y. Okay, capital Y, capital Y. These are the genotypic characters. It means which type of gene present in a plant. These are known as genotypic characters. Which type of gene present in a plant is known as genotypic character. Okay. And how appearance these plants, how appearance दिखते कैसे हैं? What is the phenotypic? These are known as phenotypic characters. How appearance these plant or any plant, any member, how appearance, what is the appearance? These are known as phenotypic characters. So phenotypic character क्या होगा इसका? They are appear round shape. They are appear round shape of seed and cotyledon is yellow. Cotyledon appear yellow. Okay. Another capital R, capital R, capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. These are also due to the presence of one capital Y. These are also appear in the round round and yellow cotyledon. Okay, these are also there, the round and yellow cotyledon. Okay, next when graph these, then make a capital R, small r, capital Y. Due to the presence of one capital R, these are also round. These are also round and yellow cotyledon. Okay. When graph these and these, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, these are also round and these are also made the round and round seed and yellow cotyledon. Okay. Next, when these are crossed, it may be the possibility when these are crossed by this, then there is a capital R, capital Y, small y. So these are the round seed and yellow cotyledon. Why yellow? Because due to the presence of capital Y. And another is capital R, when crossed by this, capital R, and small y. Now listen carefully. These are the round. But due to the presence of small y, these are represented wrinkled. Okay? And then capital R, small r, capital Y and small y. So these are round seed and yellow cotyledon. And then capital R, small y. These are round seed and green cotyledon. Okay, these are green cotyledon. Next, capital R, small r, capital Y. These are also round seed and yellow cotyledon. Next, capital R, capital Y, small y. These are also round seed and yellow cotyledon. When crossed by this, capital R, small r, capital Y. These are also represent the wrinkled seed and yellow cotyledon. One more, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. These are wrinkled seed and yellow cotyledon. And last is capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. These are round seed and yellow cotyledon. Next, capital R, small y. So these are represent round seed. And green cotyledon. Next, small r, capital O, small. These are also represent the wrinkled seed and yellow cotyledon. And last is small r, small y. These are the parental type. It means wrinkled seed stage and green cotyledon. Now listen carefully what is the purpose for making this chart. Now listen carefully what is the purpose for making this chart. Now listen carefully. What is the ratio parental and non-parental? We take the only two type of character. There are seed shape round, with yellow cotyledon, and another take the radical seed with green cotyledon. Okay, these are the characters. So count. Now count. These are round seed and yellow cotyledon. When you count there are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are round seed and yellow cotyledon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and round and wrinkles. No, not 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. और कहाँ पे है? 7, 8 and 9. 8 and 9. So there are 9 times appear round. When Mendel collect the whole seed, they count the seed. When Mendel collect the whole seed, they count the seed. These are the ratio. The round seed and yellow cotyledon are 9 ratio. In ratio 9. And another is round seed and green cotyledon. There are 3. Their ratio are 3. Okay. Their ratio are 3. Now count round seed and green cotyledon. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Round seed and green cotyledon. 1, 2. Round seed and green cotyledon. Okay. Round seed, round and green cotyledon 1, round and green cotyledon 2. There are small line, so there are green cotyledon. So there are green cotyledon 1, 2, and 3. So there are 3 and wrinkled seed and yellow cotyledon. There are also 3 and 1 wrinkled seed and green cotyledon. There are 1. So their ratio 9:3:3:1. 9:3:3:1. You listen carefully. Their sign are parental, which say starting. There are parental characters. There are also parental characters. But there are new characters which are combined. There are new characters which are combined by both parents. It means not yellow cotyledon color appears every time with the round seed. These yellow cotyledon colors also appear with the wrinkled seed, and not only green cotyledon color come by wrinkled seed. They also come green with the round seed. It means they are independent. Go with any other character. Not necessary only yellow cotyledon color always present by the round seed. Not necessary the green cotyledon color always present with wrinkled seed. they also present the round field, and yellow partition color also present the regular field. So what is the law of independent assortment? According to law of independent assortment, first line, law of independent assortment, it is applicable on dihybrid cross. First line, it is applicable on dihybrid cross. Law of independent assortment applicable on dihybrid cross. Second, during the gamete formation, for example, when gamete are formed, capital R and capital Y, during the gamete formation. Now take the example F1 generation plant. Okay. Now take the example F1 generation plant. Okay, these are the F1 generation. Okay, F1 generation. During the gamete formation, their characters are segregated. Their characters are separate independently. It means capital R are separate by small r. जब गैमेट बनेगी कैपिटल R स्मॉल r से स्वतंत्र रूप से अलग हो जाएगा. कैपिटल R segregate or separate with small r independently, and they are segregate or separate independently. Okay. So capital R separate, small r separate independently. No any relation. They are separate independently. Are segregate independently. And they are independent also go with any other character. It may be capital R, may be capital Y, may be small y. These characters are also independent, go with any other character. It may be go with capital Y or it may be go with small y. It means these are separate independently, segregate independently, and go with any other character. It may be capital Y or small y of another character. इसका मतलब कि ये अलग भी स्वतंत्र तरीके से हो जाएंगे, दोनों जोड़े में से स्वतंत्र तरीके से अलग होंगे और किसी एक के साथ जाने के लिए भी स्वतंत्र होंगे. थैंक यू.